זה סוף לסיפור בינינו. שלום עליכם ועלינו.
My name is Christoph Barlieb. I'm an architect and I have the privilege of teaching at the university as well. The reason I'm here is because of Matan Israeli, and he called me and said, hey, would you like to do a project in Jerusalem for the Israel Festival, a meeting point? And I thought it's the perfect project for students, so I pitched it to them, and these are all students with whom I've already worked. They're my best students, and so I trust them, and I knew that if I work with them we can get this project done. Basically I flew in here to visit Matan in February, and we walked through the railway park here. We went to the previous bridge here, it's in Betzafafa more, and he wanted to do it there. And I looked at it and I didn't see a nice place to build, and this is a luxury as an architect when you have to choose the place. Most architects are told you have to build here, you know? So I thought if we can choose, then we should really look and find the right place. And so we walked down here, and Matan told me here's the Yad Bayet school. It's the only Jewish Arab school in Jerusalem. I thought if the project is about Jews and Arabs meeting and other people coming together, then maybe we're onto something. And then when I saw the bridge here, I thought this looks cleaner, it looks more compact, so maybe this is the place. And then as we went up here, if you go on the slope, you will see that on the one side you see the beautiful old village of Betzafafa, and you see Katemon over here. And so I thought this is the right place. Then I went back to Berlin. I told the students about the project, and we built a model, a big 1:50 scale model, to investigate the site. And we were testing both sides of the bridge. And as we studied the site, we were convinced we have to do it on this side. For a couple reasons. One, as I said, when you come down from Jerusalem or from the Yad Bayet school, as you go up, you start to have the view of Katemon. The other reason is the sun. The sun comes from the east and goes around to the west, so the site is more inviting and more natural than on the south side where you're completely in the shade here, or the north side of the wall here. It's also very dirty. It's very complicated to move such material.
Because of the
stones, yeah. So I was convinced if we're going to do something radical, then we have to do it in a clean space. So we chose this, but as you see, it also goes down. And so our issue was to build what we've now done today, this foundation. And the question was, how do we make a foundation? Originally I said, just fill it with earth and then cut 2 foundations in there. That would have probably been one of the cheaper ways, let's say. But Matan couldn't find somebody to do it for a good price. Yeah, so for the students, this is like one of the best experiences. First, they designed this in a weekend, more or less. I brought them, I briefed them, let's say. I brought all the impressions I got back from my week here with discussing with architects. I met Sanan Al-Dekada, I met Efrat Maya here at Yad Bayet, I met the adjunct mayor, and many different people. And listened to all of them and tried to inform the students about the problems, let's say. There are a lot of questions and problems. And in a weekend we did an intense brainstorm and they developed a design. And then over the last month we worked together. They did all the static calculations to make sure this will stand up. And I helped them develop all the details, how to build it, and then made the construction drawings so that we can get authorization to build it. So that's pretty much the project, and now we just have to build it before the 4th of June.
What this experience will give your student?
If I were a student and I had a teacher that was giving me the opportunity to, one, experience the culture of both sides, of this land, which are the Arabs and the Jews, the people that are coming from all over the world actually, that are here in Israel. The long history with Germany, because actually the Jews that were exterminated in Germany were Germans, so it's something very special, I think. So there's something very powerful about bringing everyone back together. Yeah, what more can I say? I think if you think about what those things mean for a student, it's a great experience.